Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Instagram video, and today I'm going to show you how to send a DM that is on fire. Okay, so here we are on the Instagram app. This is a new feature that I'm going to show you guys. You can swipe right and go to your DMs and then go directly into message someone. I'm just going to message my other account here and I'll show you how this works. So just open up the keyboard, type whatever message you want to type. Just as an example, to show that I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary, I'll send a normal message first. This is a normal message. That's what the text message looks like. Just a normal chat bubble. Now I'll show you how to send one that is on fire. Before you send the message, you want to tap the icon on the left side of the text field, the little magnifying glass. Then you're going to get a bunch of options here. So you can see up here at the top, this message is on fire. You can also send one with hearts, confetti it looks like, and a present. So when they tap that, it would open up. Let's go ahead, tap this message is on fire, and there it is, just sent. Now when they go look at this, that's what it'll look like for them. So I'll go to my other account and show you real quick. There it is. That's what it looks like from the other person's perspective. Someone sent me one of these and I was like, what is that? I've never seen that before, so I figure a lot of people don't know about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the